Leave dishes sparkling after dinner with this integrated dishwasher from Beko, which has clever features to clean your cookware fast. It has an A+ energy rating and 14 place settings, which means it can wash a main plate, side plate, bowl, cup and cutlery for up to 14 people. That means this dishwasher is great for medium-sized households. Beko's Handy Quick Wash is a short 30-minute program that's really easy to use. With the simple touch of a button, it will wash a small amount of slightly dirty plates and cutlery in just 30 minutes. So whether you need to create a quick lunch or throw a last-minute dinner party, your dishes will be ready in no time. The Clever Auto program is an environmentally friendly, time-saving feature. It uses intelligent sensors to check how dirty the water is and then selects the best wash program to suit the load. This means it only takes the necessary amount of time and energy to get your dishes sparkling. If you're looking for a dishwasher with clever features to clean dishes fast, this integrated model from Beko is an excellent choice.